Hi, greeting from Sam Inspire Vlog. Today I'm going to share about how to withdraw the money from Xoom, which is a product of PayPal. Xoom is Xoom, that is a money transfer service. So to get the money to the local bank account, like I'm using FA app. This video is right for you. To receive the money from where, first we find the FA app on your mobile device, and then you go to example here FA app, you go to transfer. Okay, just click on transfer. You will arrive to enter your password, and then you go to the lowest point and you find international transfer. Just hit on it, and you will arrive at, we see like Swiss wire transfer, RIA money transfer, and MoneyGram. Most commonly I use most of the time and very successful is MoneyGram transfer to receive and to send the money. But here just click on RIA, and then you touch the option you want to do. In this case, and do it receive the money. Then you will arrive at this section. Please make sure that you already copy the 11 digit and you just hit on paste here. Okay, this is my code. Just paste it here, and then I just click somewhere out of the box. I will arrive, there's another box appearing where I can select my account. If you have many accounts, you can select which one you want to transfer the money to. And then at the bottom you can see it's like just click to agree on the term and condition of FA account. And then you will see the money that you're supposed to receive to your account number, and you just click on confirm, enter your app password again, okay, whatever number you have. Error, problem, yeah, this error occur. I just checked with the bank and they said that because the sender did not specify that where the money going to. So in this case you have to visit the local bank, the money transfer agent. So in my case it's to FA because I use FA all the time. So I go to FA and then I can just fill out simple form. Normally the bank staff will do everything for us, and then you get the money quickly. You just need to bring your passport or identification card, so and then you can just get the money right away from the bank. So next time you want to get the money to your mobile app, from your mobile app, please inform the sender to notify that this money going to the bank account. Okay, so thanks you so much for following my tips. Hope this helpful to you. Thank you. Bye.